You are videoing it?
Yeah, he couldn't find the video on YouTube for this model, right? It was a different car?
No, it's a different car.
Now we got this car on YouTube. Step 1, drain the oil. Step 2, antifreeze.
1 second, we're gonna... Oh my God.
Only the beginning is cool.
There it goes.
Oh, we gotta do the top.
Yes.
Yeah.
I got it.
Really? Oh,
There you go. Okay, now,
Antifreeze
the
coming
first
up.
thing we're gonna do is we're gonna drain the fluids, because once we take the engine out, we don't want oil to go all over the place.
Yeah.
Okay, we don't want antifreeze to go all over the place. The next thing is when we let it down, we're gonna disconnect the battery.
That's step 3. Or 2 or 1. You can do these in any order. Move the battery. Move the battery. Don't get electrocuted. So that was the first cover we took off. Now we're taking off this cover.
We're gonna start taking covers. We're gonna start taking like stuff out.
There we go. Yeah.
Be careful with that plastic container. It was that, and then they negotiated because they said, listen, hey, son, $150, $160 a day. It was at least that. Right. So they got him and paid for that. You don't need that now?
So, yeah, this one was running here, and then the second one was running here. And now this is your third one that's coming off of it. And I think that's your fourth one right there.
Okay, we want to stop. Now loosen this over here. Okay. Go ahead. That one comes all the way out. Okay. Now there's a thing over here. You're going to take that out.
Yeah,
Go ahead. You got it.
There you go.
Go ahead. Let me 1 sec. Okay. You push and pull. All right. We're going to take these two out. That's a 12 also. A lot of it are 12, so it. You're going to grab it, but you're not going to squeeze it too much. You're going to break the seal. Okay. I twist. Okay. Watch it.
You want safety glasses? No.
Okay.
Actually, I got a couple in the back.
All right.
I'll get some.
All right.
Throw it over here.
Lift it from here.
There you go.
There. Hold it. 1 second, like this. Now you're gonna go over there to the. Okay. Now, kids. Okay, lay it right inside there. Just put it down in there because the fluid in here is gonna run out and it's gonna flood the la car.
Yes, I'm listening to you.
Let me get a semi-hefty screwdriver. What we're gonna do is we're gonna exhaust. We're gonna split the exhaust.
And pull the exhaust back.
1 second, kid. The thing is, it's got the studs that go in.
Yeah, I know. The studs on this bottom right one.
So we got.
The clunk. It's a very satisfying deep clunk. But no, just boxer engines are the worst engine. I think we're pitting the engine with this.
You also have 2 hoses on there too. There's 2 hoses.
Go ahead.
Look at that boxer engine.
It is that one. It is that a big
It's
bag.
just clicking. You're good.
Okay.
You good?
It is like a big bag.
We is good, Mister. You're definitely gonna need a clutch, my friend.
Hell yeah.
No, I don't think you did.
You see that already? Of course, I can see that already.
Definitely need a clutch.
Yeah, do we
And a new finger while
And
you're at it.
that was not see. I just wasn't.